Imagine you're receiving a call from an unknown number. You're hesitant to answer, unsure if it's a scam or a telemarketer. Wouldn't it be great if you could see who's calling before you even pick up? That's where Ooma comes in. With its caller ID feature, you can easily identify incoming calls and decide whether to answer or let it go to voicemail. But how do you set it up? In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of activating caller ID on your Ooma phone system. Whether you're a seasoned Ooma user or just getting started, this guide will have you up and running in no time. Check your Ooma plan. Begin by confirming that your Ooma plan includes caller ID. Most plans do, but it's always a good idea to double-check. If your plan doesn't include caller ID, you might need to upgrade to a higher tier. Access your Ooma dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the Ooma website. Log in to your Ooma account using your username and password. Navigate to the Settings page. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Preferences section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Find the Caller ID settings. Within the Settings page, look for a section labeled Caller ID or something similar. This section should contain options related to configuring your caller ID settings. Enable caller ID. Locate the option to enable caller ID and select it. This might involve checking a box or toggling a switch. Make sure the setting is turned on to activate caller ID for your Ooma phone system. Verify your number. In some cases, you might need to verify your phone number before caller ID can be activated. Ooma might send you a verification code via text or call. Enter the code as prompted to confirm your number. Customize caller ID. Optional. If your Ooma plan allows for customization, you may be able to personalize your caller ID. This could include adding a custom name or a company name to appear on the caller ID. Test caller ID. Once you've completed the setup, test your caller ID to ensure it's working correctly. Call your own number from another phone and see if your name or company name appears on the caller ID. Troubleshooting. If you're experiencing issues with caller ID, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your Ooma plan. Ensure that your plan includes caller ID. Verify your number. Make sure you've correctly verified your phone number. Check for outages. Occasionally, Ooma might experience service interruptions. Check Ooma's status page for any reported issues. Contact Ooma support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Ooma's customer support for assistance. Setting up caller ID on Ooma is a simple process that can greatly enhance your calling experience. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily identify incoming calls and make informed decisions about whether to answer or let them go to voicemail. Do you have any questions about setting up caller ID on Ooma? Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.